Today I will be beading this cheetah, I believe it is, and I will be using brick stitch technique. I'll be making this as a necklace pendant, so hope you enjoy. Hi, so I just want to take you through really quickly how the brick stitch works in this pattern. So I'm going to start here with the red thread, starting at the chin of the face and working towards the top of the head. I'm pretty much going to add all the beads on the red thread. So this will be pretty much a straight line, straight strand of beads. And that's the first step. The second step is the blue thread. So the blue thread now goes down towards the chin. And as we do so, we're adding one bead and then going through every other bead on the red strand. So eventually you start building this brick stitch pattern as the beads start to lay down on a brick formation, hence the technique. So this is where I'm at so far after the third row. Back to work. Well, the cheetah is finally done. He came out amazing. I really like the way he turned out with the shading, very detailed. He is a little bigger than typical pendants I usually make, but still amazing, really cute. But yeah, if you enjoy the way I make these cute little pendants, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.